How's it going, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to permanently fix a squeaky drive belt on a 300 TDI.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive. Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole.
Now the tools that you're going to need are a fan spanner, because it's easier to remove the fan. The part number for this, it's a Britpart fan spanner, and the part number is DA1111. You'll need a large wrecking bar or a ratchet and a 15mm socket. You'll need your replacement belt because we're going to swap this out as well. We've had issues with this in the past. On the last tour that we did, it was quite wet. There was a lot of standing water, and when we went through them, I found that the steering, we lost power steering as we went through them. So I've narrowed it down to the belt slipping on the power steering pump. So I'm going to swap this for a known decent belt. It does want replacing, but this will do for now. So we're going to show you how to swap that as well. And you'll also need, if you're fussy like me, some gloves and a brew. You can't go wrong with a cup of tea. So let's get out there and get it sorted. Right, so first we get our gloves on. And now we'll take a look at the engine. So the first thing we do, remove the cowl for the fan. Put that to one side. Then we get our fan spanner, which slots down here. And remember, it's a backwards thread, it's not clockwise, it's counterclockwise. So a good hit, and that's loosened it off, and then you can just spin the fan till it comes off. Eventually, there we go. And that's the fan removed. As simple as that. Now we can see the belt. See the drive belt. Always make a note of which way the belt goes. Now first we're going to change the belt, and then I'm going to show you this nifty trick to prevent the squeal. Get it in position. So you take your wrecking bar with your 15mm socket, you pop it on here, and then you just pull, take the tension off the belt, and the belt just slips off. And then you release the tension, and then take the belt off. It's as simple as that. You can get it off with the fan still attached, but it's a bit more awkward, and for the sake of 2 seconds it's easier to just take the fan off. Now you can see this belt. It's very shiny on the back edge, which makes me think that it's been slipping on the pulley. So we'll get the other belt back on. So you grab your other belt, pop that down there in position. and I have to jump up here, and it goes under the crank pulley at the bottom, over this water pump pulley at the top, over the alternator belt pulley, and then it comes up over the power steering pump with the back edge of the belt, hook it down there, round there, and it goes around this pulley here, and then you want to pull that out and get your belt, get your socket back onto the tensioner, so that you can release the tension on that again. Lift it up, slide the belt under the tensioner. That's got hooked under the back. Come on, it's messing. There we go. And there we go. And make sure it's all lined up correctly within the right grooves, and then release the tension. Check it all the way around. Make sure it's all in the grooves, which it is, and that's it. Simple as that. Now, as for the curing the squeak, now I had this car, I've had this nearly 10 years. The first 5 years it squeaked like hell, and I tried everything. I replaced God knows how many belts. I replaced the bearing in the tensioner pulley. Still didn't work. I always had a squeak. And then I found online a little trick with a penny. Just a 1 penny. Now apparently I'll show you. Just down here on the back face, you might be able to see, there's a penny there. Now apparently on the 300 TDI the face is slightly offset, which makes the tensioner pulley sit out of a line, which makes the belt run out of a line, which causes it to squeak. So the cure for that, pop a penny behind the tensioner, which moves it into the right line and stops the squeak. Now that penny's been in there for a good 5 years now, and I've not heard a squeak since. So I can say that's definitely been proven, and it works. So if you've got the same problem, try the penny trick. All you have to do is loosen off this tensioner, pull it back a little bit, slot your penny in behind, just there, and then tighten the tensioner back up. As easy as that, and it's cured. Now I will get another belt for this because there is a couple of little scratches and cracks and things on it, but it's going to be better than the other belt. Hopefully my power steering will work properly now, and I won't be getting power steering fade in wet weather. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, do whatever you want with it, and thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget, click the subscribe button at the bottom, really does help, and I do appreciate it. So thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next video.